Hi everyone, this is Prashant from WebTyron.com, and what I am gonna show you today is how you can change the default editor or IDE for your core FTP. So I am opening the core FTP. Here it is connected to my server. You can see a bunch of stuff right here. This is on my left side, it is my desktop related files, and on my right side it is server related files. So as you can see, if I open any of these files like this, it is opening the default notepad editor, but I need to change it with my Sublime text editor. So how I can do this? We need to go to the manage tab and move to file association. Selected with .php, it is showing notepad, so I will change it with Sublime and click on update, and it is updated. So okay, the file association have changed, and it is recommended that you exit and restart CoreFTP. Okay, so I think I need to again restart it. Let's do it one more time to check whether it's moved to public html or www. So both are the exact same file folder. So bingo, it is changed. It is changed to Sublime text editor. So you can see all the extensions are associated with Sublime text is now opening with Sublime. So that's all for now. See you in next video. Till then, bye. Happy coding.